Hey guys, for sure you visited this amazing website before, giphy.com, searching for any related image or GIF to use it in a comment on social media. But have you ever wondered before how you can make money online from giphy.com? So this video for you, because in this video I'm gonna show you and tell you about 8 different ways to earn money using giphy.com. But first of all, let me have a look at this amazing website. Giphy.com is visited by millions of visitors a month, searching for different amazing GIFs or animated images for any situation you can think of. Here on Giphy.com, you can find enormous amounts of these instant video scenes and reaction clips from different talk shows, series, movies, and so on. So, for example, here, for sure, in this homepage, you can find a plethora of these trending GIFs for different situations, for different emotions, and so on. So, simply, you can take one of them quickly to respond well as a comment or something else, or you can look for any situation or emotion or anything you want. Like, for example, if you have something in your mind regarding horror or comedy or something else. So here you can find amazing related GIFs. So how you can make money online Riemann from Giphy.com in different realistic ways. For sure, most of these ways are indirect way to make money online from Giphy.com. So now grab your coffee and let's get started. And the first way to make money online from Giphy.com is editing your videos. Of course, if you're a content creator either on YouTube or social media, you need to add something entertaining for your audience to break the rigid way to convey and deliver your information or anything else. So you are required to add something I'm using here from now and then inside your video to convey your message and your information better, or to make your video have a sense of humor for your audience. And for sure, Giphy.com gives you tons of these video clips or these scenes matching with your topic, whatever it is, for comedy, for your educational, for some entertaining, excitement, and so on. Like, okay, goodbye, thank you, and so on, as you see. And for sure, if you just asked me how you can get all these video clips or these GIFs from Giphy.com without any watermark, simply here you can go to this one for sure, this amazing funny video clip. Click over it, and here you can find this amazing URL. So you can take it smoothly and head over to this website I just recommended for you, and I will leave this link down below in the description box. So here you can insert this URL, then you can find this video like this one. So just you can save image as to your device. So you can use all these GIFs inside your video for social media or YouTube to bring more sense of humor and entertaining for your audience. So this is the first way to make money online or utilize Giphy.com. So actually you can try this amazing way if you want to edit something, if you are a freelancer or video editor on freelancing platforms like on Fiverr, Freelance, and so forth. And the second way, here you can take these GIFs found on Giphy.com as a complete post on social media. For sure, if you have some business pages on Instagram, TikTok, or anything else, talking about a specific topic or a specific niche. So here you can use and break this regular way of your posts, whether they are videos or reels or carousel posts and something like that, by adding some specific and unique post that deliver your instant message that matches to your own message on your niche. So here, for example, you can get one of these beautiful GIF or animated image and post as it is as a complete post on Instagram or TikTok. You can get some amazing attractions to your account, deliver your message and your content nicely with a beautiful sense of humor, as you see. So for example, if you have a content about pets or something, dogs, cats, and so on, here you can look for any GIF about this niche. So you can look for something like dogs or funny dogs or cats or something, then here you can find millions of these amazing GIFs as you see. So for sure you can use all these GIF or these animated images or these mini video clips, if you can say it, as a post on Pinterest account, Instagram, TikTok, and so on. And the third way to make money online using Giphy.com is being unique in your email marketing. And speaking about that, I just remembered one of my brands I just promoted as an affiliate. When I get a sale, they send me this unique message of an animated image or GIF with thank you message. So just when I opened this message in my inbox, I found this message with GIF audience clapping for me. Thank you, you have made a sale, and so on. So it's better for you if you have an email list to make money online. You can be more creative by sending from now and then these GIF or animated images inside your message. So you can make it unique, creative, and a little bit humorous. So this way, make your audience love you indirectly. And way number 4 is you can use all these GIFs in your blog post or your articles. For sure, you used to insert some images around your article that matches well with your own content or your blog post. But what about adding some GIF that conveys some humorous information to your topic, like a call to action or something else? So here, for example, if you have your blog post about weight loss, here you can look for any related GIF or animated image inside your blog post. So for example, I can look for something like weight loss. Okay, as you see. As you see, this transformation before and after, perfect, amazing, that you can use inside your blog post to convey your message with fewer words. That way you can make your own article unique, outstanding, and so on. And the next way to utilize Giphy.com, that is, you can sell them as digital items. You can use all these GIFs and pack them in different bundles and sell as digital product about specific niche, about specific reaction, about specific emotions, and so on. You can find thousands of these entrepreneurs and content creators looking for these packs ready to use inside their posts, their email marketing, blog posts, their videos, and so on. So you can work as a freelance and a digital product seller. So you can get tens of these animated images or these video clips inside your bundle. So for example, here regarding weight loss, here you can get some of them, insert them in a single pack, sell them as a digital product bundle for these people in different platforms and marketplaces such as Gumroad, Beehive, Etsy.com, and so on. So you can find tens of these people looking for these amazing packs, and for sure it's better for you to make different bundles around different niches and topics. And the next way to make money online from Giphy.com, for sure get backlinks or traffic to your own blog post or your website. And for sure it's one of the most outstanding ways here using Giphy.com. How that, Riemann? Simply, if you are looking for something like these GIFs, if you click over this one, here you can find this amazing publisher of this specific GIF. And here, if you click over this one, you will be taken to this specific and dedicated page on Giphy.com. Here, therefore, here you can find a description of this brand or this website with a call to action and this amazing main URL of their website, whether it is a YouTube channel, website, store, and so on. So for any people who are interested in the weight loss tactics, strategies, tips and tricks, and so on, they will find here tons of these related GIF from this brand or from this publisher itself. So if you want to go beyond that, you can visit their store or their website from this link. And the next way here to use Giphy.com to make money online is, for sure, you can get different ideas to create your own designs and t-shirt designs if you are working in print on demand business. So here in this homepage, you can find tons of these trending GIFs. So you can convert some of these GIF as a design to use on your Redbubble store, Etsy, Merch by Amazon, and so on. But heads up, the copyright if there is any. So here you can take this one for example as a page to create your own design. And for sure, nowadays using AI tools, it's very easy to get the same character as illustration or an icon to use later on designs or a specific design on your t-shirts, leggings, dresses, and much more. The last way to make money online using Giphy.com is for sure making a dedicated page on Instagram and TikTok, giving and offering these amazing video scenes, GIFs, or animated images as memes or green screen memes. Like these amazing Instagram pages, like this one, green screen meme, like this one, I green screen things. Here you can find millions of these followers with great interaction and engagement with these green screen memes. So for sure you can use the same way to make your own Instagram page or TikTok offering these amazing video clips using Giphy.com. You can remove this background and just adding this green screen. So that way you can make your memes for a specific reaction, for a specific situation, and so on. Then you can publish it as a post on your page, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, as you want. And for sure, you can utilize this huge traffic to your own page to promote something more valuable in your link in bio and so on, or a digital product as I said earlier. That way you have 8 ways to make money online using Giphy.com. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.